Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you very interactive category slider and shop by category section with animation effect. And this two p chart or section definitely change your Shopify store overall looks and to make it premium. So this section I developed for one of my client requirement for her new Shopify store design from scratch using Dawn theme. And Dawn theme is a free theme, but in the Dawn theme you will not find a lot of picture to make interactive Shopify category slider or eye-catching section that's definitely make your Shopify overall looks professional and neat and clean and to make your user journey easy. That's called following UX and UI design. Also here you see I have added a category section. So if you want to build your Shopify store with Shopify free DOM theme, then you can use this ready section. This one category slider section, this one shop by category section. So I have already added on my Shopify online store admin panel. You see here is the option, section name, category here slider, and I have added too much or maximum theme option so that you don't have to touch any single code to customize it, update it, or make any changes. For example, slider height on desktop, slider height on mobile, autoplay, autoplay speed, and color of all the individual element, title color, subtitle color, paragraph color, button background, button text, slide image overlay, overlay capacity, overlay opacity, categories panel background, categories text color, active category color. You see here is the typography option, title size, desktop, mobile, subtitle size, paragraph size, button text size, heading width, and categories panel heading. This is the categories panel heading, and if I click on any specific category, then you can add category icon, label, link. Also if I click on any slider, then you can add slider background image for desktop. Here is the recommended size, here is the for mobile recommended size. You can add subtitle, title, paragraph, button text, button link, text alignment. You see, so all the option is available on the theme customization section that I usually do in all of my Shopify tutorials. And I have already uploaded more than 1000 plus video relevant Shopify store design, customized development or SEO. And here is the shop by category section. This section is fully customizable section with page width, full width, top padding, bottom padding, column desktop, 3 column, column tablet, column on mobile, tile ratio width, see, tile ratio height, gap between title corner radius, hover animation. You see, this is the hover animation. Also hover animation speed and heading text, heading font size, tile content, color, and custom theme option. Also if I click on any specific category, Then I can add image, link, placeholder color, and placeholder int color. So I hope you understand the total pie chart of each section, and you can set up it very easily. Now your question is that how you can set up it on your Shopify drone theme. Very simple. You have to just go to your Shopify admin panel, then click on this three dot icon under online store, click edit code, then simply open section folder, and here you have to drag and drop to file. So where you will find this true file, let me show you. Slider, category, here slider, and another category, shop by category. Here is the two files, category hero slider dot liquid, shop by categories dot liquid. So you have to directly drag and drop this two file under section folder. And your question is that how and where you will find this code snippet or ready file. Just send me message by WhatsApp and share the video link that you are watching right now, and type a simple message that I need code for this video relevant or for this video. So I hope you understand how you can add this picture on your Shopify online store without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, or without any previous experience. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.